38-23 plates and patches early bird. Good luck. We're full. Dice rolls 7 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Jags up top. Steelers at the bottom. 7 times now. On your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ben Zano up top, Andrew at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Jags didn't sort, they're at the top. Everybody else sorted. Here we go, gentlemen. Plates and patches early bird. Good luck. Plates and patches, bird. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Empty box. Alvin Kamara on the base for the Saints. Saints going to Roy Roberts on the Kamara. Nice one here for the Raiders. Aiden O'Connell. 28 out of 55 going to James Cox. Next up for the Eagles, Lane Johnson. 16 out of 149 going to Evan Segrist. Lane Johnson to 149. Really nice one here. 150 out of 300. How about Jordan Addison? On-card steel signature from Minnesota. Going to Jory Worthen. Congratulations, Jory. That's a banger. This kid's a stud. Jordan Addison, 150 out of 300. Nice one here. How about Bryce Young, 20 out of 25 for Carolina. And Chris Kirk. It's probably a pretty big card. Bryce Young to 25 for Chris. Again, Chris, I knew you were upset about the random. I'm not even sure if you're still watching, but you've hit quite a bit tonight, brother. So congratulations. Quick recap. Got Jordan Addison to 300 on the ink. Lane Johnson. Aiden O'Connell double coverage. Alvin Kamara. And Bryce Young to 25. Go to the Panthers and Chris. That's the break, gentlemen. Thanks for the fill.